Hello, everybody. How is everyone doing today? My name is Thomas, and I'm happy to see you here in our webinar. So, it is going to be a trading seminar or a trading webinar stream, however you want to call it. Once again, my name is Thomas, and I'm a practicing trader and analyst with Olymp Trade here, and I will be happy to conduct the following trading session for you. Now, today is a interesting day, all right? And today is probably one of my favorite trading strategies today in front of me. So, today's trading strategy will be triple rebound trading strategy. And why I like it so much? Well, the answer is quite simple. This strategy is a working one, right? So this strategy has, in fact, some of the highest, like definitely among, maybe, well, a lot depends on how you use any trading strategy. Of course, that goes without saying. That all depends on your preferred time frame, preferred duration of trades, and also maybe time of the day of week when you trade, and so many things you have to take into account and into consideration when deciding which strategy is the best for you. Now, in my case, this strategy is well, definitely has some of the highest win rate, so the ratio between winning trades to losing trades. And yeah, well, I'm ready to start. In fact, I'm ready to demonstrate to you how this strategy works. And yeah, I'll be happy to show some of my like trading tricks, trading life hacks. So first of all, let me go ahead and switch on this trading strategy. So first I need to go to this little technical analysis button. So I need to click it. Then I need to select trading strategies and right on the bottom, at the bottom of the expert trading strategies lies triple rebound strategy. So I click once, I click twice, and voila, here is this strategy. So as you can see, we have three indicators which look almost the same, and then you need to have a closer look at them and their properties, and then you will see the difference. So the difference is quite simple. We have the 7 RSI, the relative strength index indicator. Next, we have the 14 RSI, and the last one is or has the period of 21. Now, this 21 RSI is the slowest one, and it has the biggest period, and it reacts to any changes in the chart, but at the slowest pace or at the slowest rate. Now the 14 RSI is the, let's say, like the kind of like the standard one, and the fast one has the period of 7. So we have this real interesting situation here, right? So once again, 7, 14, and 21. Now the main setup with this strategy comes when all three indicators are in the overbought area. So we have this these red line here on top of each indicator, and also we have this green line, and they are called respectively the overbought area above the 70 line and the oversold area. When well, basically it means that the price went down too much too fast, and the price is ready for a little rebound. So this strategy is called or belongs to the so-called counter trend strategies group, and basically it works well when just something either drops fast or grows or goes up way too fast. Now my default working time frame today will be 1 minute, and in fact I can even close the chart. I don't even need the chart. Well, of course it's better to look at the chart, but you can use this strategy even without looking at the chart. Now let me hopefully I will find a signal, and then I will let you know. So guys, some of you might ask me why I have certain indicators or certain assets which are not available in your account maybe. So the answer is simple. We what's that? Where are my chart? Where's my chart? Let me reload the platform. I think I've been trading too much without having reloaded my laptop. Now, some of these assets which are available in my account and are not available in your account, this is due. Yeah, I think it starts happening here. What's going on? Oh wow. Is anyone experiencing the same problems, guys? Just strange. Right, area chart. No, hold on. It has to be Japanese candlesticks chart. So, like I said, many of these, some of these assets are not available for everyone because they are being tested, right? So we have a number of assets which are currently undergoing testing. All right. Like I did previously, since I don't see that many signals on 1 minute time frame, what I want to do is I want to switch to 5-minute time frame, and then according to the basic rule of duration of trades, of selecting the duration of trades, I need to multiply this number by 3. So multiplying 5 by 3 equals to 15, and I can use this duration as a default duration for such trades. Now, I can see that all three indicators are in the oversold area or under the 30 line in each one accordingly, so that based on this I can open trades. Now, AUD/CAD, my next trade is on the Australian dollar against the Canadian dollar, and I not just I see this double top formation, but also the main signal comes from the RSI indicators, and as you can see, we are just coming back towards like inside this I would say like the normal area. So we have this overbought area here, overbought, almost overbought on the 21 RSI, and that is more or less enough in order to open trades. Wow, look at how many signals I get on the 5-minute time frame. On 5-minute time frame, wow. So another trade here in the upwards direction. So as you can see, this one, like we are oversold on all the three RSIs. Wow, why is it happening on some assets? Yes, I don't understand. All right, something probably happened to my. Okay, so let me just open another window. I don't know, it's just very strange. Okay, let's try again. I don't know, it just never happened to me before, so probably the problem lies within my computer. I think I have not reloaded it for a long time, so that's why. Jeez, wow. Is anyone experiencing the same thing? It's just very strange. So, wow, Ethereum is once again trading at above the 1100 level. Nice. Some metals. Gold. Yes, I think we can open a trade on copper as well, even though it has a rate of return of 30%, but still. So Brent, indices, so with Nasdaq. Right, so in fact, I don't see that many signals just yet, but 4 trades is pretty good, and we will see how they close in 15 minutes. And in the meantime, we can resume trading short-term trades. So back to 3-minute trades. So once again, okay, so let's go here. So 3-minute trades, and I can go ahead and start with my yeah, let's just start with once again all the assets. All right, so basic dollar index, yes, we are oversold here on the fast one, the standard one. So let's go ahead and try opening this counter trend trade in the upwards direction on basic dollar index. Wow, since the last 2-3 days, wow, I didn't really have this issue before right now, huh? Interesting. Well, I hope everything goes back to normal. Yeah, guys, let's go ahead and try the GBP USD chart. So the pound against the US dollar, or the so-called the cable, a trade in the downwards direction there. And yeah, I think I shouldn't open. No, hold on. I did open GBP USD, so everything was fine with the pound, right? So maybe, oh, so Munch index. So it seems I will probably have to reload my platform like a few times throughout today's webinar, guys. I have to, well, ask for your apologies, but I don't really know what causes this problem. So, well, anyways, if any one of you sees or indicates like some interesting setups, let me know. I will be happy to have a look at these well, signals, charts, just anything. So kindly let me know. I will be happy to have a look at them, and maybe I will even trade them. So if that's a proper signal according to my strategy, well, I will be happy to use it, because why not? Arabian General Index. Well, I think we can go ahead and open a downwards trade here, since we have just approached this level of resistance, and that is a relatively strong level of resistance here. And as you can see, we have this the 7 RSI, the 14 RSI. So yeah. Oh, I think the problem starts here with the GBP USD. Before because before I click it, everything is fine. You just all right. So the question is about my trade on copper. So was it 15 minutes? Well, if it was 15 minutes, I think it was my mistake, because I just didn't notice that. My intention was to open one 15-minute trade, one trade with a duration of 15 minutes on the on 5-minute time frame. So maybe if I used, maybe I just made a mistake or something by just didn't see it. Yeah. So basically the rule is you take the time frame, the current time frame, and you multiply this by 3, and that's how you get your standard duration of trades. Well, like I said, of course you can use different, I mean, like, you don't have to limit yourself to just like this rule, like time frame multiplied by 3. You can use like 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 minutes, 17 minutes, 15, 11, just any kind of duration. I've sort of created a rule for myself. I've sort of written it for myself that on average, I'm not talking about, I'm just looking at bigger numbers, right? Because I don't want to judge about effectiveness of a trading strategy, or effectiveness of anything by 1 or 2 trades. And that is why I well, basically I've in general, after opening or trading multiple, like hundreds or even thousands of trades, I noticed that 3 minutes work best for me. For some people might be 2-minute trades, or 5-minute trades, or I don't know, 7-minute trades, anything. But in my situation, it is yeah, it's just basically 3-minute trades is my optimum duration. Oh, wow. So Arabian General Index. So we have this tight closing here. It's kind of like this 5 seconds to go. And so unfortunately, it's not closing with a profit, even though uh, it was kind of looking at it. So let me go ahead and open another trade here, since the setup is still there. So this setup is still valid. And yeah, so one more trade there. And let me go ahead and have a look at my trades. So when was that? That was my, okay, so that was my morning trade. So I have two winning trades and one losing trade so far. And I have another, how many? Five trades, 5 ongoing trades. So yeah, let's keep searching for more signals, for more setups, for more trades. Yeah. So I don't really want to use this signal because we are only overbought on just one of the 3 RSIs. So yeah, I think I'd rather skip this one. All right, so a question here, Thomas, why does trading get affected by emotions rather than any other job, than other jobs? How to deal with that? Well, I think the answer is simple because I would say in like normally if you do something, right, if you work a job, if you work somewhere, you know that in the end you will get paid, right? So it's not that you work 40 hours a week and then your employer takes money from you. No, it's the opposite situation, right? So you work, you do something, and someone pays you. You know that for sure. Well, I'm not really talking about these cases when someone cheats on someone and things like this, but normally you get paid, right? We all are used to this rule, to this. But now when it comes to trading, the situation is different. So trading is a form of business, in my opinion, and you can close your trading session with a profit, or sometimes you can close your trading session with a loss. And when we are talking about your regular work, so normally it is a more or less guaranteed result that you are getting something at the end of your shift or at the end of your I don't know, something you get your paycheck. And here in trading, there is no guarantee for that. So you can either make profit or you can lose money, or you can close your trading session with a loss. So no one can guarantee you results that you will make money. And of course, that is very stressful to your brain and to your psychology overall. So Arabian General Index, my second losing trade here was, I would say, relatively close to winning, but see, it's so this thing that is how it works. So in trading, your potential of making money is huge because if you manage to, you can easily make $1,000 per month or per even per week and even per day. But at the same time, you can close your trading day, trading week with a loss, and no one can guarantee that. Even if you made a lot of money yesterday, no one can guarantee that tomorrow will be another profitable day. So you're always living in this uncertainty, with this very high level of uncertainty. And well, the only method how you can cope with this is you need to work on your psychology. And of course, there are multiple methods of. So probably suggestion or tip number one would be to really treat trading as a business. And tip number two, most important one, is to have to draw a certain plan. Okay, so you need to if your goal is to make $1,000 per month, how many that's how much per day do you need to make? Do you only need to make like $50 per day on average? All right, but of course, one day will be a profitable day, the next day might be a losing day, so you need to try and write for yourself, like write a plan, what you're gonna do in case of a winning session or a losing session. So you really have to lay like write down your thoughts on a sheet of paper, and then um, just basically you need to use your like you need to have a plan. It's like a business plan, right? Before you launch a business, before you take a loan for your business, you go to a bank and you present a business plan, right? Because without that, no one is going to give you a credit or a loan. Now, when it comes to trading, many people join the world of trading without a proper trading plan. And what happens next? They come completely unprepared. They start trading unprepared, and what happens eventually? People start losing money, and that's the harsh reality of the trading world. Yeah, just keep. Wow, what's going on today with the platform? It's getting difficult to trade with in such conditions, guys. So So I think we are going at the 50-50 rate today. It all started with two winning trades, now four losing trades, and one. And yeah, so this should be a winning trade here. So which another question? So which strategy is best for present day's market? Well, in fact, it doesn't really exist like this one, like the holy grail of trading. It just doesn't exist. And so you've got to have a set of like a combination of trading strategies, and you've got to use everything, like levels of support and resistance, indicators, and every trader gets to select some strategy that works best for him or for her. And unfortunately, it just doesn't work like one fits all strategy. It just doesn't work in this area of business. So one more question: when will buying of risk-free trades be available? So yes, I remember that we had certain plans like to sell risk-free trades in the marketplace, but as of now, you can only get risk-free trades when you go here to your progress bar or Trader's Way, and in this Trader's Way, you can win risk-free trades, you can win bonuses, and other things. So that's basically where you get risk-free trades. Now, guys, I don't really see that many signals today. The markets have been trading in a relative flat. Um, I do hope that I will still manage to find some more signals, because I do want to show you a few more signals. Yeah, like basic altcoin index. All right, so basic altcoin index. Let's put this asset into our favorites tab. So CAD CHF. So that was a recent signal. Unfortunately, it's a little bit too late to use this signal. Dow Jones. So all right, since we don't have that many signals, let's try this one, because what I can see is we went up from this from around this price, and then the price somehow got stuck here, and I could see that this signal from the fast RSI was there. So the signal, so Aditya is asking me to explain the strategy once again. Right. So first of all, you need to understand how the relative strength index indicator works. So this indicator has two critical areas. So we have this red line with the value of 70, and we have this green line, the so-called 30 line. So whenever the value of this, or the line of the RSI indicator, is above the 70 line, that means that the price went up, has gone up too much, too fast, and it is very likely that there will be a rebound, because nothing can go up forever without pullbacks. So the nature of markets and charts is that even when prices go up, then eventually they make this little pullback. The prices goes up, price goes up, makes a pullback, price goes up, another pullback, and so on. So so this indicator, the RSI indicator, helps us identify the so-called overbought or oversold areas, and when um, two of these RSIs, or even better, when all three of them, they enter the so-called the oversold or overbought area simultaneously, that's when we need to open a trade in the counter, in the opposite direction. So we are trading here, and the price can go down here. Right, so that's basically the signal. So this example here, this trade here, is a perfect illustration of what I've just said. So as you can see, the price went up from here, so it was going up and up and up, and eventually so this pullback is happening. So this indicator, the 7 RSI indicator, it helped me well, basically told me that, hey, this little pullback is coming, so why don't you open a trade in the downwards direction? And that's what I did. Now 15 seconds to go. Wow. And we are, so that's the middle of this hour, and some extra volatility has just kicked in, and oh wow. Just so this trade, for the most part, it was trading in the profitable area for me, and then all of a sudden it just reversed. All right, so let's identify a few more signals. Can you create a bot to help you trade? Well, if you can, yes. I don't really, I didn't check it in a long time whether like I think we kind of had this rule on the platform that bots are not allowed, but maybe times have changed. I don't know. So I mean, like, now I guess everyone or like more people know how to use bots, how to, like trade with algorithms. But I would probably want to ask maybe customer support or something. But in general, I think should be okay. I don't know, but I don't use them personally, and more importantly, I don't buy them on the internet, because many people claim that they have created this bot that works 100% of the time, like the most reliable, the most profitable one, the most reliable, profitable one, but and then they sell it for like $200. Like, why would you sell a bot that is so great, right? I just don't believe it. So yeah, basic altcoin index. Uh, Yes, let's give it a try. So it seems to be like one of the perfect candidates right now because all other assets I can see they are just being up and down all around. Um, Everywhere, and so yeah. I do not see that many. Yes, I don't really see that many signals right now. So trade on forex also. Well, thank you for this suggestion. The thing is that trading on forex, it just doesn't work like when I trade the FTT mode. I can show you, I can demonstrate many trades, many setups, and everything. But on forex, basically you cannot just open a trade and close it after 5 minutes. But of course, I do trade forex, and like I said many times before, I have a number of different portfolios, and I have investments in stock as well. And well, basically, after you've traded for a few years, you start to realize that the biggest money is made, well, first of all, on forex, and uh, in the longer perspective, in the long run. Now, trading the FTT mode is a great way to really grow your capital fast, to get your initial like this, let's call it like the startup capital, because by its nature, this is the fastest way you can make a deposit of $1,000, and if everything goes well, and if you're lucky enough, you can multiply this amount. You can turn this amount into, 3 4 thousand in a month, maybe even faster, depending on how aggressive your trading style is, and of course, well, probably most importantly is how well your trading strategy is, right? So whether you have found that trading strategy that's a great one for you. So based on these guys, like probably that's how you evolve as a trader. You start with fixed time trades, next you go to forex, and then eventually you switch to stocks mode, or later on you just add up and not like more and more trading methods, trading mode to your kind of like portfolio, like trading portfolio, or your um, like overall like trading strategy, trading, things like this. So, that was a close call. Closing with a slight difference. I not even see this little difference here, but still that's a win, guys. So far it's been going, I would say 50-50, not and let's let me open a few more kind of like these like final trades, like I do it towards the end of each webinar, and we will see. So the AUDCHF, right? We are oversold on the 7, on the fast one, and on the standard one. So that's a trade in the upwards direction. Um, and yeah, what I can see is that the markets are have have been trading in these relatively narrow ranges today. So this strategy, so once again, most of trading strategies that we have in our disposal on our platform and in general, I would say they all work well when we have like strong trends, volatility, things like this. Now today, I'm not seeing that much of kind of like this activity. So probably since this activity is relatively mild today on our assets, so I think I will just stop with these 4 trades, and I will just sum up the results. Give us a good signal on Forex, please. Well, that's a difficult one, but on Forex, I think what you can do is you can trade I think Brent. If you switch to 1 hour time frame, you can see that we are trading very close to this support level here, 110. And once we break above this 110 line level, we can easily go up towards 115, $120. So that could be a nice trade. Now my next trade here, well, frankly speaking, I'm not sure about the Euro USD, but I think the Euro USD chart, or the Euro against the US dollar, has a lot of potential. And just last week we had this I'll just call it like a golden signal, right? So we had this double bottom signal, and that was a perfect signal. That was a perfect setup. But right now, I think we should go up. So the euro should go up against the US dollar, but it's just not going up that fast. So right now, we had many good signals last week, but as of now, as of today, I do not see that many trading signals. All right, so my first trade on the Euro AUD will close with a profit. Now, AUD JPY, will it close with a profit or not? Okay, so probably not. So kind of close to a win, but still it's relatively far away. Now this trade, yes. So as you can see, it's all been like up and down, 50-50, more or less. And the decisive trade is this one on commodity composite index. Is this your best strategy? It is definitely one of my favorite strategies. This strategy is definitely one of my top 5 trading strategies, along with, I will say, Kind Martin, Gektar, the Fibonacci levels. But you have to understand that after a certain time in trading, you don't really have this like one best strategy. Instead, you start combining multiple ways of trading, multiple strategies, and eventually it turns into a mix of trading strategies. Now guys, so the final trade, seven losing trades and seven losing trades and probably 7 winning trades. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Yeah, so it's exactly 50-50, guys. So that's how the market is today. Unfortunately, it wasn't very very friendly towards my trading strategy. Nevertheless, it's that's live, that's trading live, so anything can happen. I hope you enjoyed this webinar, and I think I do hope that you can take something with you from this webinar. So thank you very much, guys. Wishing you all the best in trading. I will see you next week, and before me, of course, there will be my colleagues, and they will they will help you. They will teach you some other trading strategies. We also have this shorts section where we just provide you with some short trading ideas, short videos on YouTube. So subscribe to our channel, click the like button if you want to, if you like the webinar, and I'm wishing you all the best in trading. I will see you next week, and don't forget that if you trade on service level expert or advanced, you're entitled to at least one consultation, one and more consultations per month with our expert traders, expert analysts. So stay tuned. Good luck. I'll see you shortly.